So basically, we're supposed to come here, connect your wallet, request for the faucet testnet token, right? Then after that, you come to this website here, all right, and you come here to connect your wallet. You connect your wallet here, right? So after connecting your wallet, the next thing you do is that you come to this portal.arbitrum.io to bridge in and out of Robinhood Testnet, okay? Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at a very huge airdrop project that is currently ongoing. So it's more like a testnet, and this particular testnet is going to be rewarding participants who test this protocol to see how it is, right? And I believe you've heard about Robinhood, and they have raised $5.77 billion, okay? And basically, Robinhood is an L2 network, and they are going to be launching very soon. But for now, they are looking for public participants in their testnet, and those who become early adopters will have an advantage in the future when interacting with the ecosystem and also the launch of the Robinhood chain, right? And so, as you can see here, they started their testnet on the 11th of February, and a lot of people have been positioning for now, right? This is a particular airdrop that you really want to position for. You know how Robinhood is. It's a very huge investment venture, and it's something that you want to be a part of. Okay, you can go to their website and just begin to read about what they are, who they are, what they do. You can see Robinhood Crypto here. You can trade cryptocurrency, your favorite cryptocurrency on Robinhood. You can buy, sell your favorite crypto assets, and you can trade other markets as well. You can build portfolios. You can have your own trading strategies, or even use your own trading strategies as well. I believe Robinhood will be that platform where you can get real-time information on tokens that will be going live, or probably meme coins or any kind of token, utility tokens that will be going live. And I believe it's going to be highly profitable for those who get involved in it, right? But again, this is not a financial advice. You can always do your own research, and this video is strictly for educational purposes only, all right? So if you are joining this channel for the very first time, my name is Doza Digitals. We have been creating video content for quite a while. You want to join our channel, you want to join us and just see what we have been doing. You want to give us a support by giving us a subscribe on our channel, and we have a lot of amazing videos that just shows you opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. Again, like I mentioned as a disclaimer, this is strictly for educational purposes only, right? It means that you could make money, you may also not make money, and all of that. So let's dive straight into the Robinhood testnet. Now, in the description of this video, I'm going to be dropping the links that you're going to use to interact with the testnet. Okay, and so the first thing we want to do is to click on open the website. So this is the website. So it says here Robinhood chain testnet faucet. Get testnet tokens on Robinhood chain sent to your wallet, right? So each faucet request will send 0.5 testnet ETH and 5 of each stock token to your wallet. Claim is every 24 hours. So let me connect my wallet. It is time to get jiggy with Robinhood. So let me connect my MetaMask. I think that Robinhood chain is going to be integrated into all chains. So I'm just going to connect my second wallet, and I'll click on connect, then I'll connect. Okay. So I'm just going to confirm this. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding the Robinhood chain testnet to my wallet, right, automatically, so that it will be easy for me to interact with the testnet, get the test tokens and all of that. So usually I advise that you get a new wallet. Don't use your old wallet. I usually advise I use a new wallet so that you can always stay safe out there, right? So let me click on send. So they want me to sign in with my Google Mail. So to prevent spam and faucet abuse, please verify you are a human via Cloudflare and authenticate with Google sign in. So let me sign in with Google. Okay, so now it's verified, it's signed in. So let's claim the token. See distribution fail. But what we're going to do is that we're going to keep trying this, and maybe later it's going to allow us claim the testnet token. But in the interim, the next thing we want to do is to come to this website. I'm going to drop the link in the description. We're going to come here. Now you have a lot of wallets here. So you select the wallet that you want to use to be interacting with Robinhood. So I selected MetaMask. I'm just going to connect it to this dock. Now you see you are connected to the Robinhood chain testnet, okay? So I already have all of these addresses in my wallet, okay? The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to open the bridge. So there's a Robinhood bridge account or bridge portal that allows you bridge. Okay, so we're going to be bridging from the arbitrum.io portal, right? So I'm going to connect my wallet to this. Connect my wallet. Okay, connect my wallet. Click on connect, right? So the next thing I want to do now is to bridge from Sepolia. You can see from Sepolia here, I have 0.02 ETH to Robinhood Testnet, right? So I'm going to click on 0.01, okay? I'm going to bridge that to Robinhood Chain Testnet, okay? So you can see it says secured by Arbitrum, all right? So I have read and agreed. So move funds to Robinhood Chain Testnet. I'm going to approve this, confirm it, click on confirm, waiting for it to move. Okay, so confirm this. Okay, so it says pending, all right? So you can see we've bridged from Sepolia ETH, it's an Ethereum token. We've bridged from Sepolia to Robinhood Testnet, so it says pending, all right? So you can see the details if you want, all right, of the transaction. You can see it's still waiting. So let's just continue. Once this token that we have sent here has successfully come in, we can now send back from Robinhood. Once that's come in, we can send back from Robinhood down to Sepolia. So let's do the same thing. So basically, what you are doing is you are bridging on both ends, right? That's what you are doing. You are bridging on both ends. So let's bridge back to Sepolia from Robinhood Testnet. Okay. So let's move funds. So it says here, get your funds in an hour and pay a small fee twice. I understand that it will take an hour before I can claim my funds on Sepolia. I understand that after claiming my funds, I will have to send another transaction on Sepolia and pay another Sepolia fee. So let me click on continue. I can choose to add this on my calendar, right? I mean, Robinhood is integrated with Google as well. So I'm just going to click on continue and I'll sign the transaction here. Let me sign this. Okay, so you can see my two transactions. All right, so my two transactions are already there. One from Robinhood to Sepolia, the other one from Sepolia to Robinhood. They're already there, so I'm not bothered. So it might take a while for the status to change from pending to completed, but I'm not bothered because I have enough Sepolia to carry out the transaction. You can see if the transactions are settled, it's going to be in this part, but for now they are not settled. So let's just keep going. So the next thing now is to come to this website called onchaingm.com. So for this onchaingm.com, we are going to connect our wallet as well. Remember I said that you need to use a burner wallet, use a completely new wallet to avoid getting burnt in the process. Don't use a wallet that you have tokens on. If you want to use the wallet that you have tokens on, move all of the tokens from that wallet to a different wallet. All right. If probably you're looking at maybe they want to use on-chain transactions in the past to reward testnet users, right? So you can move all the money you have in that wallet to another wallet, then you can now use that wallet to do your transaction. But in this case, I am using a completely burner wallet. So now that we are in this onchaingm.com, what we want to do now is to just complete a particular task that is called the on-chain GM task. So it's connected. You can see BM on Base, GM on Sonium, GM on all of them, right? So our own concern is GM on Robinhood. Okay, let's check here. Let's type Robinhood. Okay, so this is Robinhood chain. So let's click on GM for Robinhood chain. So click on it. So it is switched to Robinhood testnet already, and it's already approving. So let's just wait. So there's a GM fee. You can see on our Robinhood chain balance, what we have is enough to carry out these GM tasks. All right. So I'm going to be dropping all of the websites in the description of this video so that it can help you follow the step by step on this testnet, right? So click on confirm. So let's wait for it to sign. I mean, the next time we're going to come again and do another GM will be in 21 hours, right? So it says share and unlock amazing benefits. Share your link and both you and your friends win automatic rewards, right? So we can choose to share our link on social media, or I'm going to also add the link to the description of this video as well, so that for every GM you do, you also earn, right? So we've done that. So let's go to the next task. So the next task is to come to this website here that is called nftstome.com. We're going to create our own NFT here. So I'm going to connect my wallet again. So basically, what we want to do is to create our own token. So I'm just going to create a token, and I'll name it Balabadu. Balabadu. Okay, that's the name of my project. The token symbol is BAL. This is a test token to check the Robinhood Testnet. Okay, so creator rewards is there, advanced option. So what they want me to do is to add my media. So I'm going to add the media of this. So is this image? Use this image. I mean, it's just a testnet token here. So I'm going to deploy on Robinhood chain. So it says deploying smart contract for Balabadu project. So wait for it to pop up. Okay, click on confirm. You're sending the TX. All right, so you can see it says congratulations, you have deployed a new NFT project Balabadu on Robinhood chain. The next step is to come to infinityname.com. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of the video. So I'm going to connect our wallet. Connect our wallet. So we've connected our wallet. Then the next thing is for you to search for a domain. So I'm just going to search for my domain. Okay, so I've entered this name. Let me search if it is available. Okay, so the name is actually available, edusa.good. So I'm just going to register this. By the time you connect your wallet, it automatically switch to Robinhood Testnet, right? So I'm going to register this. Okay, so it says congratulations, your domain name has been successfully registered on the Robinhood Testnet. Okay, so the domain name is now taken. I'm now the full owner of the domain name. All right. Okay, so that's basically it for this particular task. So basically, we're supposed to come here, connect your wallet, request for the faucet testnet token, right? But for some weird reasons, we are unable to get the test token because it is lagging. Then after that, you come to this website here, all right, and you come here to connect your wallet. You connect your wallet here, right? So after connecting your wallet, the next thing you do is that you come to this portal.arbitrum.io to bridge in and out of Robinhood Testnet. Okay, you can see our settled transaction success already. So you bridge in and out. That's what you do. So we still have one pending transaction where we are bridging from Robinhood down to Sepolia, right? So after you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to come to onchain.gm. So for the onchain.gm, you search in this box here for Robinhood Chain Testnet. After searching for it, you connect your wallet, then you click on the GM on Robinhood Chain. You need to have Robinhood Chain Testnet and also some GM fee, right? Okay, for you to be able to do that. The next thing after that is to come to nfts.me, and deploy an NFT, right? You deploy your own NFT by creating a project name, your token balance, what the token is about, then you upload an artwork, okay? Like we have done here, then you deploy. After deploy, you can see it here. They have their recommendation under next steps. You can come here to this website, mint my NFT, and have it. It's, all of them is just for a test purpose, okay? So let's just click on this, connect. Okay, so the minting is free, so I'm just going to mint this. It's my test NFT, right? So let me mint it and confirm in my wallet. Okay, so it's minted. It said it just became the proud owner of the amazing NFT Balabadu. All right, so you can see a lot of people too have their own NFTs that they have on other chains, right? So, but I've already minted it, so I can decide to share it so that people can also mint the NFT as well. Okay, So I think that's basically the steps that you need to follow to get started on the Robinhood chain, guys. You don't want to delay any further. You can create as much NFTs as possible. You can mint as many NFTs as possible, right? So if there are other things that we need to know or we need to add on the testnet, I'm going to create a video on that. But for now, the basic step is already done and shown in this video. So just follow the step by step, and we're going to just become lucky at the end of the day when TGE goes live, right? So that'll be all for now, guys. If you have any question, you can ask. If you are not clear on something, you can drop a message in the chats or in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to respond. Don't forget to give us a subscribe, like, and follow the channel, share the videos that we have, and that's your own way of just supporting what we are doing. All right. So I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye for now.